Hi everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐚𝐖 𝐗𝟕, and I'm actually the BMW genius here at BMW of Macon in Macon, Georgia. And today what we're going to talk about is some of the advantages the X7 has over the X5. The main thing I like about the X7 over the X5 is the room in both the front and in the rear. So for myself, in my situation, the thing I like about it is when I sit in the front and I'm getting ready to drive off with my family on long road trips, or even going to work or etc., I'm comfortable. The thing I also like is if I'm in the same situation, but I had to sit in the back, let's just see how it looks, okay? So if I open the doors to the back and I sit back here, it's just as comfortable, and as you can see, my knees aren't even touching the back seat. So what I like about it is if you have someone that's very tall, which in my case, I'm 6'4", it's very comfortable, unlike the X5 where these seats would be touching my knees and it would be a little bit cramped. And on long road trips, that means something. I also have my seat controls on the side, so I can move my seat forward or backwards. I could move my seat all the way back if I want to take a comfortable nap while someone was driving me. I have a USB-C charger, which is new for the iPhones, USB-C charger. And right here, you have the little tablet holder, so I could have my tablet plugged inside here and charging, and I could sit back and watch the movie comfortably. If we go to the doors, I can roll down the left side of the power shade, or I could roll it up. I can also do the right hand side if I needed to. So I can control those sides if it was sunny out. And then with this button right here, I can open the sunshade on the roof, or I could shut it. Or I could shut it with the same one as well as the third row. Back here, I'm comfortable. So those are one of the things that I love about the 2024 BMW X7s is there's a lot more space for you. So my name is 𝐂𝐚𝐖, and this is the 2024 BMW X7.